In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any Google account from your Android device. So, firstly, click on this gear icon for settings. Now, scroll down. You will see option users and accounts. So, click on it. In here, you will see a list of applications. So, select Google if you want to remove Gmail and all Google related product. So click here, select your account which you want to remove. Now click on these upside two dots, then click on remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. If you are sure, so click on remove account. That's it. So that's it. As we can see now that account is removed from this Android device. So it's quick and very simple method. Firstly, click on settings, then scroll down and click on users and accounts. Select Google, select account which you want to remove, and then click on this two dot for menu and click on remove account. If you are sure, so click on remove account and make sure it will delete all messages, contacts and other data from this phone. So that's it friends. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching.